This overnight hair treatment went viral for making damaged hair look like this in just 30 days. But there's a catch nobody's talking about. Hair slugging has absolutely exploded on social media, with over 500 million views on TikTok alone. People are claiming it's better than expensive salon treatments, fixes years of damage overnight, and costs less than your morning coffee. So we tested it for 30 days straight to see if this trend is legit or just another internet scam. And trust me, what we found will surprise you. What is hair slugging? First, let's break down what hair slugging actually is. The name sounds weird, I know, but it's basically the hair version of the skincare slugging trend that went viral in 2023. The concept is simple. You coat your hair in oils or rich treatments, wrap it up to lock in moisture, and sleep on it overnight. The slugging part comes from how shiny and slick your hair looks, like a slug trail. Appetizing, right? But here's why millions of people swear by it. The science. Your hair cuticle is like the shingles on a roof. When it's damaged from heat styling, chemical treatments, or even just brushing, those shingles lift up, causing frizz, breakage, and dryness. Hair slugging works by creating an occlusive barrier. That's fancy science talk for trapping moisture inside. The oils seal your hair cuticle, preventing water loss and allowing deep conditioning ingredients to penetrate the hair shaft. Dermatologists actually recommend this method for extremely dry or damaged hair. But here's what they don't tell you in those viral videos. Let's fact-check the most popular claims floating around social media. Claim 1. It repairs split ends. Nope. Nothing can repair split ends except scissors. Hair slugging can prevent them and make existing splits look smoother temporarily, but the damage is permanent. Claim 2. It works for all hair types. Partially true. This method is incredible for thick, coarse, curly, or extremely damaged hair. But if you have fine or oily hair, you might wake up looking like you haven't showered in a week. Claim 3. You'll see results overnight. Actually true. Most people notice softer, shinier hair after just one treatment, but long-term transformation takes consistent use over weeks. How to actually do it. All right, here's the exact method that got the best results in our testing. Step 1. Start with clean, damp hair. Wash your hair as usual, then towel dry until it's damp, not soaking wet. This is crucial because damp hair absorbs products better than completely dry hair. Step 2. Choose your slugging oil. The most popular options are coconut oil for deep moisture, argan oil for shine and softness, jojoba oil for balanced hydration, castor oil for growth stimulation, or a pre-made hair mask if you're feeling fancy. Step 3. Apply strategically. Here's where people mess up. Focus on your mid-lengths to ends. Avoid your roots unless you have an extremely dry scalp. Use more product than you think you need. We're talking generous amounts. Step 4. Lock it in. This is the slugging part. You have options. Wrap in a silk scarf, use a shower cap, try a plastic wrap method, or invest in a silk bonnet. The goal is to trap heat and moisture while protecting your pillowcase from becoming an oil slick. Step 5. Leave it overnight. Let the magic happen for at least 6 to 8 hours. Some people even do 2 or 3 nights per week. Step 6. Wash it out. In the morning, shampoo twice. Yes, twice. You need to remove all that oil or you'll look greasy. Then condition your ends as normal. The 30-day results. Now for what you actually clicked for. The results. Week 1. Hair felt softer and looked shinier immediately. Frizz was noticeably reduced, but honestly, any deep conditioning treatment would do this. Week 2. This is where things got interesting. Hair started holding styles better, less breakage when brushing. The texture genuinely felt healthier, not just coated. Week 3. The transformation became obvious. Split ends looked smoother. Hair appeared thicker and more voluminous. Friends started asking what we did differently. Week 4. By day 30, the difference was dramatic. Hair looked salon quality, felt strong and elastic, and maintained moisture even days after treatment. This wasn't just surface-level coating anymore. The mistakes people make. Before you run to try this, avoid these common mistakes that can actually damage your hair. Mistake 1. Using too much product on fine hair. You'll end up with limp, greasy strands that take forever to wash out. Mistake 2. Skipping the shower cap. Our pillowcase will become a grease trap. Not cute. Mistake 3. Using the wrong oils. Some oils like mineral oil just sit on the surface and don't penetrate. Stick with natural plant oils. Mistake 4. Doing it every single night. Over-moisturizing is real. Your hair needs protein too, not just moisture. Stick to 1 to 3 times per week maximum. Mistake 5. Expecting miracles on chemically destroyed hair. If your hair is severely damaged from bleach or chemical treatments, slugging will help, but you might need to trim first. Who should try this? Hair slugging is perfect for you if you have thick, coarse, or curly hair that's always thirsty for moisture, color-treated or heat-damaged hair that needs serious repair, dry, frizzy hair that never seems to stay hydrated, natural hair textures that benefit from heavy sealing. Skip this method if you have fine or thin hair that gets weighed down easily, very oily scalp or hair, scalp conditions like seborrheic dermatitis, or if you're just lazy about washing, because you'll need to shampoo thoroughly. Cost breakdown. Let's talk money, because this is where hair slugging really shines. Professional salon deep conditioning treatment, $50 to $150 per session. High-end hair masks, $30 to $80 per jar. Hair slugging at home. Coconut oil, $8 for months of use. Silk bonnet, $12 one-time purchase. Total, about $20 to start. You could do this method for an entire year for less than 1 salon visit. So after 30 days of testing, here's the honest truth. Hair slugging works. It's not a miracle cure, and it won't repair damage that's already done. But as a preventative treatment and maintenance method, it's genuinely effective. The results are real, the science backs it up, and the cost is unbeatable. But you need to be consistent, use the right technique for your hair type, and have realistic expectations. Is it better than expensive salon treatments? For maintenance and prevention, honestly, yes. For severe damage repair, you probably need professional help first, then use slugging to maintain the results. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button so more people can discover this method. Subscribe for more honest beauty trend reviews where we actually test things for weeks, not just one day for clicks. Drop a comment below if you've tried hair slugging, or let me know what beauty trend you want us to test next. We actually read every single comment. Hair slugging might sound weird, but the results speak for themselves. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Thanks for watching, and remember, beauty trends are temporary, but healthy hair is forever.